In the blocked road problem, there are three possible actions: move north, move east, or move south. Here, moving east means staying in the same lane. If the agent crashes into the bull, it receives a severe negative reward of -100. Changing lanes, that is, changing the Y position, results in a small negative reward of -1. The agent training now begins. The animation speed is slow to enable smooth interpretation. Let us pause for a moment and reflect. After just a few episodes, some essential learning has already taken place. The agent has learned that taking the east or north action when positioned next to the bull in the upper lane is a bad idea. It leads to a collision. This is indicated by the black cells, which represent strongly negative state action values. And now let us observe a few more episodes. We begin to see more promising behavior. The agent has learned to avoid the bull. The Q function returns severe negative values for actions resulting in a collision. Now we speed up the animation to fast-forward evolution. As you can see, the agent memory is further updated. Wonderful. This is fantastic. We now have a trained agent in place. We can observe the desired behavior. The bull is consistently avoided.